Hey yo, what is up guys? Today I'm at the Next Gen Car Club season opener car show, and it's crazy. And there's some I get to meet some content creators, so yeah. Got some what the yo. This is clean. Bro. We got the Lambo there. Bro, Jake Schnatter is here somewhere. We got a McLaren. We got a golden Ferrari. We have a literal golden Ferrari. A Viper. We got the truck too. I'm subscribed.
You guys want any merch?
Can I get a picture?
You all getting merch? Is this working now? I'm trying to sign back. What size you looking for? Because we only have smalls left. And there's only like that one.
Yo, I just got some Schnatter merch, bro. And he literally signed it. Wait, I can't see it. Yo, he signed it too. No way. We got a Mustang. Wide body Toyota, I think. Oh yeah. We got a Corvette Hulk. That's random. Yo, we got some Nissan. Got a stand. Oh, I saw this last car show, bro. Oh yeah, we got a Subaru. Oh, you sure? Oh yeah.
It's custom interior and exterior, so we do 3D printing and design.
Oh, nice.
And then make different parts.
Oh.
So all this is 3D printed in this bracket here to this bracket, and then have another bracket that goes on.
Oh, that's nice.
It says EC20K with the not the aluminum, but this full steel.
Oh, this is my dream car, by the way.
This is my dream car.
Wow. You sure?
Got a custom cup holder because it blocks my video.
Nice.
So yeah, so custom.
Oh, thank you. Oh, we got another Subaru. We got a GTR. I don't know what GTR this is. Is this the R32 with the R33 front? Is it? Anyways. Oh, we got a Ford. Oh, Skyline. Yo, I'm about to go to the Skyline and the Corvette. Oh my gosh. Is this a drift car? Bro, this Skyline is actually sick. Okay, bro. Oh my gosh, bro. This is so clean. We got some food trucks and we got some lifted trucks. Pretty sick. Yo! Is that a Dodge? Yo, it's a Celine. It's a Celine, bro. No way. No way. We have a Celine with a Celine. We even got the Next Gen Car Club thing. Yo. Oh my gosh, bro. This is a Celine S7. This is a Celine 57EX. Yo. This is honestly sick. This is sick. We got an Audi too. We got an Audi. Oh wait, this is one of the dealership. Oh, Maserati. What? Whoa! Bro, this is beautiful. Oh my gosh! Look at that lineup. Even got, bro. I gotta check this out. What? This is actually clean, bro. We got some stance cars. Pretty clean. Got this clean. We got a Porsche right there. Got a. Oh wait, this is the R33. Yo, I'm about to go to the second lot, and we're gonna check out what's in there. We got a Corvette, and we got a BMW. I have a clean Nissan 350Z. Beautiful. From it's Sax Drift. Beautiful. Alright, now I'm in the second lot. Ooh. Ooh. Oh. Got a Subaru, got Miata. Whoa. Oh, we got a Nissan. I hear something. And we gotta clean the car. We got a Infinity and Mitsubishi. We got a Miata and a Integra. I think it's an Integra. BMW vintage, very clean. Whoa. We got an Audi. Okay, we got an Audi, Subaru, GTR, these cars are very nice. I like it. Genesis. BMW. I don't know what that is, but this is sick. That's some Nissan 350Zs. Ooh. Got a beautiful lineup with a Stance Corvette. That's sick. Got lifted trucks here too. And that's the end of the video. Please like and subscribe. Hit that bell button. It's raining hard in here, but I don't care. Ooh, wait, we got one more thing. Got a Sylvia.